Hello and welcome. Today, I'm excited to share a brand new upgrade to our targeted email scraping tool, now with enhanced Google search integration. With this update, you can search by location and quickly filter results by simply typing the first 3 letters of the location in the list. For example, let's say we want to search for coffee production companies in Sandia, USA. The goal here is to collect emails from all coffee production companies in that location, so you can create targeted email campaigns and promote your business to them. Let's run the search. Alright, we've extracted 140 emails for this search term. But there's a problem: these emails are random, as you can see. That's why I've developed a smart filtering feature. You can now limit your results to only the email type you choose here in the form. For example, if you selected yahoo.com, you might get results or you might not, it depends on the search term. But if you do get results, they'll all be Yahoo emails. Why results may vary. Whether you get results or not depends on your search keyword. Some keywords contain the emails you want, others don't, so it's all about experimenting to find the right ones to maximize your chances. Live demo, Yahoo search. Let's try it. We select the search filter. In title, plus at yahoo.com. We set it to 10 search results. Location, Washington, USA. Search term, coffee production companies. Click search. Waiting. No Yahoo results found. Live demo, Hotmail search. Let's change the email type to at hotmail.com while keeping the same keyword and location. Click search. Waiting. Here we go, the tool has extracted about 104 emails, and as you can see, all of them are at hotmail.com for the same search term, coffee production companies. This upgrade helps you get more precise, targeted emails, ensuring most of them are valid and ready to receive your marketing campaigns. Once you have your targeted emails for the selected niche and location, you can build professional mailing lists. Name each list based on the niche you scraped from. And don't forget, you can easily create your mailing lists using the powerful GetResponse platform. Just create your account, connect it via your API key from GetResponse, and send your collected emails directly to your chosen list. You can watch the previous video tutorial for a step-by-step guide. I've included the link in the description below. If you enjoyed this update, please support us with a like and a comment for any questions you have. Share this video with a friend so they can benefit too. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss our future updates.